Thank you, Chairperson, sir. May I request the Moria team to kindly arrange the chairs and by the time we are settling in for the inauguration ceremony, first of all, I again, from the core of my heart, I welcome you all to be a part of the 6th Anup Masters course. I'm very thankful to my father, Dr. Arun Singh sir, and patron of Bihar Orthopedic Association. I'm very thankful to Dr. Anil Kumar sir, Dr. Praveen sir, and the team Bihar Orthopedic Association for getting it under the aegis of the Grand Association. I am also thankful to our faculties from England. First of all, Professor Mr. Daniel Porter sir and Mr. Kalpesh Shah sir for coming all the way from United Kingdom, Scotland, and being a part of the Masters course. So this time we are focusing much on the foot and ankle. So next few sessions is going to be and live surgeries, real life surgeries. So I'll just hand over to Prerna Pratap ma'am, who will be taking over from here, and Sajanand sir would be joining us ASAP. So ma'am, all yours.
Jai Hind, Namaskar, and of course it's not good morning, it's good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I, Prerna Pratap, on behalf of Anup Institute of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation, AIOR, take the privilege to welcome you all to the prestigious 6th Anup Masters course, held in collaboration with esteemed Bihar Orthopedic Association right here at the exquisite Hotel Moria, in the heart of Patna. We welcome you all to the land of Patliputra, the land which is located on the bank of Ganges. My warm welcome to all the eminent guests from across the globe joining us today here on this meaningful session. And that's given. It's an absolute honor for me to welcoming each one of you present out there. So without any further delay, let me begin by highlighting the incredible legacy of the AIOR Anup Super Speciality Unit. Located on the 5th floor of the Savera Campus Hospital, this unit stands as a beacon of excellence in orthopedic care, constantly upholding its commitment to providing top-notch treatments under one roof. AIOR and its super specialty units is isn't just a hospital. It's the first NABH accredited single specialty hospital in East India. It's a big achievement, ladies and gentlemen. A remarkable testament to its unwavering dedication to quality and patient safety. That is more important. Moreover, it is now empaneled under CGHS, further expanding its reach and impact. When we talk about Anup Super Speciality Unit, we talk about trust. It is renowned as the most trusted and best orthopedic hospital in India. And definitely it's a proud moment for Bihar as well, where orthopedic trauma and orthoplasty find their ultimate expression with a personalized surgical plan prepared for each patient prior to orthopedic robotic surgery. The unit has performed over 1,000 robotic joint surgeries. So I would request a huge round of applause for Dr. Ashish and their team. Under the exceptional supervision of Dr. Ashish Singh and Dr. Aryan Singh, of course, Dr. Aryan Singh, it's inspection. So what's the new in this year's Anup Masters course? We'll explore advancement in ankle arthroplasty, gain insights into foot and ankle issues, discuss current developments and innovation in orthopedic care, focus on preoperative and post-operative management, and much more. Ladies and gentlemen, as we embark this conference, let us seize the opportunity to dive into the latest advancement, gain insight from groundbreaking research, and learn from the clinical expertise that will be shared throughout these sessions. This is our chance to harness the collective wisdom present in this room, to push the boundaries of orthopedic care even. And of course, there is a quote कि पुरानी नदियों का पानी नए समंदर से झांकता है, असर बुजुर्गों की नेमतों का हमारे अंदर से झांकता है. So I would express my few words for Dr. Aryan Singh. We extend our heartfelt administration and respect to Dr. Aryan Singh, sir, the visionary behind the establishment of Anup Institute of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation, whose pioneer spirit led the foundation for the exceptional orthopedic care. The legacy is being carried forward with great dedication, innovation by his son, Dr. Ashish. Dr. Ashish Singh, ensuring the institute continues to thrive as a beacon of excellence in this field. So, first of all, I would request you all to stand up at their position for national anthem. I request, ladies and gentlemen, all of you, kindly stand up at your position for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much, everyone. Now you may take your seats. Thank you, everyone. And I would request our team member kindly play the AV film of AIOR. And now it's time to welcome our dignitaries and guests. I would request Dr. Ashish and Shilpi ma'am kindly come up on stage to welcome our dignitaries, our eminent guest. And first of all, I would request our chief guest, Professor Binde Kumar sir, kindly come on stage. I would request Dr. Ashish, you also join us to welcome our guest. I would request Dr. R.N. Singh sir, our guest of honor. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for him. Dr. Rabindra Narayan Singh is a highly respected orthopedic surgeon known for his remarkable contribution to medicine. Well, he needs no introduction. We all Bihari, not only just Bihari, we all Indian. We're proud of you, sir. Your contribution in medical industry, medical history is remarkable. Your little clap will make this moment more beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. May I now request Dr. is not arrived yet. Dr. Arvind Kumar, a guest of honor. I request you, sir, kindly come on stage. I would request Dr. Praveen Kumar Sahu, our guest of honor. I would request you, kindly come on stage, sir. And I would request Dr. Ashish and Shilpa ma'am to present the bouquet and the shawl to Dr. Praveen, sir. Dr. Anil Kumar, President BOA, I would request you, sir, kindly come on stage. Again, I would request you all, please, a little clap will make this moment more beautiful. It's such a wonderful moment. Professor Binde, sir, I would request you, kindly come on stage. And I would request Shilpi Singh ma'am, kindly present the bouquet to our chief guest. Dr. Ashish is presenting the shawl to our chief guest, Professor Binde Kumar. Professor Binde Kumar is the director of Indira Gandhi Institute of Medical Science. His extensive experience in medical education and healthcare leadership makes him highly esteemed figure. May I now request Dr. Daniel Edward Porter, our special guest. Dr. Daniel Edward, our special guest, a senior orthopedic surgeon with international recognition. Dr. Daniel Edward Porter brings a wealth of global expertise to the event. His contribution to the orthopedic surgery have left as a lasting mark on the medical field worldwide. And Dr. Ashish is presenting the bouquet and the shawl. Ladies and gentlemen, he has arrived here from miles away, so a huge round of applause for him. May I now request Dr. Kalpesh Shah, our special guest. Sir, please join us. And he is coming here from England. Thank you so much, sir. Scotland, my pardon. Dr. Kalpesh Shah, a senior orthopedic surgeon of international standing, has made significant advancement in orthopedic care. And now I request Dr. Bhuvan Singh, President, Central Zone Orthopedic. Sir, I would request you, kindly come on stage. May I now request Dr. Ashish sir and Shilpi ma'am to welcome our next guest. And Dr. Ashish is presenting the bouquet and the shawl and welcoming our guest. May I now request to come on stage Dr. S.S. Jha sir. Kindly come on stage, Dr. S.S. Jha.
Manish Dhawan sir is coming.
I request Dr. Manish Dhawan sir kindly come on stage.
Pranam sir.
We welcome you, sir. And now, may I now request Shilpi ma'am to present the bouquet and welcome our guest. And Dr. Ashish is presenting the shawl to Dr. Manish Dhawan. It's a wonderful moment, ladies and gentlemen. And it's an absolute honor for all of us to have you here. As this is the inaugural session, we would begin by taking blessings of the Almighty. As it's our tradition in India, may I request our all dignitaries kindly come forward to lighting the lamp, lighting the auspicious lamp. I would request our all dignitaries, and I would request Dr. Manish Dhawan sir as well, and I would request Dr. Vikas sir kindly join us. I request Dr. Vikas Kumar sir. Let's pray to God that we may continue to burn the auspicious light that may bring happiness, prosperity, and health. Long life to people of India and around the world.
गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
I request our dignitaries kindly take your seats. Okay, I request all our dignitaries kindly come forward for one group picture. I request our all dignitaries kindly come forward for a group picture. So they are saying the media partner is saying to come forward actually. Thank you so much, everyone. After lighting the lamp, lighting the auspicious lamp, it's time to move on. And now we all set to witness the innovation like never before. Moving further, to address us, may I now request Dr. Ashish, a person who needs no introduction, a person is a heart of gold. Personally, I would say a person with heart of gold, who has created a milestone in Indian history, in Indian medical history. Sir, I would request you to kindly come and address us. A huge round of applause for Dr. Ashish.
A warm good afternoon to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank my seniors, my father, Dr. Anand Singh sir, all seniors, professors, my friends and colleagues for joining us for the 6th Anup Masters course. Believe me, it is going to be an academic bonanza, an academic feast. It is a combination of good surgeries, live demonstrations, a lot of sessions on tumors, bones. We'll have practical patients to be discussed, and we'll have a good time. I'm very thankful to Professor Binde sir for agreeing to be our chief guest, and also to Dr. Sahajanand sir, who is unfortunately is on the way. He'll be here in a while, and all the members present on the dais at the moment. So without taking much time, I would again hand over and I'm again very thankful from the deep core of my heart for to each and every one for coming and being a part of the 6th Anup Masters course. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now moving further, I would request Dr. Arvind Kumar, sir, President Bihar Orthopedic Association. I request Dr. Anil Kumar, sir, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon, to address. I request Dr. Anil Kumar, sir.
I am Dr. Anil Kumar, President of Bihar Orthopedic Association. I welcome you all on behalf of Bihar Orthopedic Association in Anup Master's course. A course, as stated by Dr. Ashish, comprises of many things like workshop, live surgery, excellent papers, lectures by masters of the subject, and many more of that. I know Dr. Ashish has spent many sleepless nights to make this event grand, and I think this is going to be and is already grand. Thank you, Dr. Ashish. Dr. Ashish, a worthy son of a worthy father. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bihar.
Thank you so much, sir. To address us, may I now request Dr. Praveen Kumar Shahu, Secretary, Bihar Orthopedic Association. Sir, kindly come here.
Very good afternoon to all of you, our all distinguished guests and faculties. I am Dr. Praveen, Secretary, Bihar Orthopedic Association. Welcome you warmly here in this 6th Anup Masters course. And of course, Dr. Ashish and his team has worked hard to formulate it and execute it in nicest manner, and as they are doing all the years. Thank you, and we all, Bihar Orthopedic Association, always try to do all the academic courses very nicely, and everyone is free here to conduct all the type of courses. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request our special guest, Dr. Daniel Edward Potter, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon. Sir, please address us.
It is my great pleasure to have been invited here by my dear colleague, Ashish Singh, who worked with me in Edinburgh more than a decade ago, and to see how he has developed a first-class orthopedic centre here in Bihar State is a great pleasure for me. As we get older, those of us who are senior and become teachers, having once been students, we get more pleasure to see our students overtake us in our skills and abilities, because we want the next generation of patients to be treated better than the current generation. Congratulations to you, your family, your team, and everybody who has made this a successful unit, a successful hospital in India, now across the world, and is also teaching the next generation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request our special guest, Dr. Kalpesh Shah, sir, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon, to address us. May I now request Dr. Kalpesh Shah.
Pranam Patliputra. This is my first time in Bihar, and I am really honored with the extremely warm welcome that both Ashish and Shilpi have given me I really feel honored. And as Dr. Porter said earlier, I'm also amazed at how much Ashish has progressed since I knew of him about roughly 10 years ago. I, with due respect to his dad, it reminds me of it reminds me of the saying in Hindi, baap sher, so beta sawa sher. Thank you.
And our special guest, Dr. Sehjanand Singh sir, has arrived. I request Shilpi ma'am and Dr. Ashish sir to welcome him. Dr. Sehjanand Singh sir, guest of honor. He serves as the National President of the Indian Medical Association, IMA. His leadership in healthcare and advocacy for medical professionals has made a profound impact on the Indian medical landscape. Thank you so much, sir. I request kindly take your seats. And now, may I now request Dr. Sehjanand sir to address us. I would request Dr. Sehjanand sir. सर आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप आए और हमें संबोधित करें. डॉक्टर सहजानंद सर, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू एड्रेस अस.
माननीय डॉक्टर आर.एन. सिंह साहब, बिंदे साहब, भरत जी, देवीन सज्जनों, आशीष मेरा छोटा भाई बहुत बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है. जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट, एंकल जॉइंट, एनी टाइप ऑफ डिजीज, ही इज डूइंग वेल. हमने बहुत सा केस भेजा है और काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहा है. आर.एन. सिंह साहब को तो मैं सैल्यूट करता हूँ. एनाटॉमी का भी इन्होंने पढ़ाया था. एनाटॉमी का बेस्ट टीचर, आज ऑर्थोपेडिक्स का बेस्ट डॉक्टर. हमारा शुभकामना है कि आशीष अच्छा करे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. To address us, may I now request our chief guest, Professor Dr. Binde Kumar, sir, Director, IGIMS. Sir, kindly come.
Very good afternoon, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, my teachers on the dais, off the dais, seniors sitting. It cannot be a more overwhelming moment for me than this, to be a chief guest, being a junior person sitting on all the, starting from Professor R.N. Singh, Sajja sir, and many more persons, and in the audience too. I'm very much thankful for this Anup Memorial Center that they have invited me as a chief guest. Just I will wish and extend my well wishes for this workshop. And I will just only one thing to say, that when in 1987 I was doing my orthopedics housemanship, I have just the basic of orthopedics, and I'm going through the program you have and the 2 or 3 sessions. I can just tell where we have reached. And Bihar is not behind in the leadership of the Professor R.N. Singh, a giant and a mentor personality in the field of orthopedics, and all the people who are sitting here being in Saturday second half and all full, that shows the keenness and enthusiasm these people have to learn new things and more good things. Sir, if I can be of any help for this association, for the center you are running, the teaching courses, I will be very much thankful to you. Thank you very much.
Definitely. Thank you so much, sir. It's a matter of pride for us that you have spared your valuable time with us. Thank you so much, everyone. And to give away the vote of thanks, I would request Padma Shri Dr. Ravindra Narayan Singh, sir, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon. Sir, I request, kindly come here.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll speak something in Hindi, but Dr. Daniel Porter is here, Amit Shah is here. So I welcome all of you for coming to this function or this workshop or this conference or this course. But I must tell you one thing. In Hindi we call Santosam Param Sukham. Satisfaction is the maximum happiness. But in science it is not true. Asantosam Param Sukham. Because when I was young, working in Wrightington Hospital, the joint replacement surgery was just growing up. John Charley had so many things which I saw, the small motor going for the suction going on every 12 hours after the surgery and everything, and laminar flow coming up. All these things gradually went up, and we were all doing with I set up how to do joint replacement, this and that. But every day, everything is changing. And in my 45 years of orthopedics career, what I am seeing today, that robotics has come. Dr. S.S. Jha, the pioneer in Patna to bring navigation system, is also outdated. Now the robotics have come. Now tomorrow something else will come. Artificial intelligence is coming. Something will be done. So the progress is perhaps the key of success. And now asantosam param sukham, that is what I say, is for the science to say correctly today. Because every day we are doing something new. Today in this particular Anup Master's course, the 6th version, I welcome all of you and thank all of you that you have given time to attend this particular master's course, and hope that the attendance of Dr. Porter and Dr. Shah from abroad and all the dignitaries, Dr. Binde coming in and blessing us, and everybody, Dr. Sahajab, my friend, my junior, and other Bihar Orthopedic Association, all giving hands together to get the vast knowledge that is coming up every day. These young doctors who are sitting in the back of this hall must be benefited from the experience of all of you that you are going to bestow on them today or tomorrow. I wish that all of you should get a maximum out of it, and the young surgeons will get benefited with this particular program. Thank you very much for all of you to come to this particular portion, and thank you very much. And I'm really very happy to see you all together. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a great honor for us to have you all here. My deep gratitude to all the eminent guests. And now it's up to you, sir.
So, as my father also gave a thanks speech, I also would like to thank everybody for coming here. So we are about be a bit earlier for the lunch, but as Dr. Vidya sir had told us to go by 12:30, so I request if he can join us upstairs for the faculty dinner, lunch, and then we'll take it from there. So we have lunch from 1:30 to 1:30 p.m. In the meantime, we can discuss, or if anything, our scientific agenda can come up, so we'll take it from there. But I call this inauguration session an end and take it from here. I thank you from the core of my heart for being here. Pranam.
बहुत अच्छा सर।